Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start right now by opening Device Manager. Press Win+X or run DevNote. MSC. Once visible, scan for yellow triangles or unknown devices so you know where to focus. You should create a system restore point before making changes because rolling back is faster than repairing a broken driver. Make sure to note the device name and vendor ID. This helps when downloading drivers manually. Now, disable any antivirus temporarily. This avoids interference with driver installs and move to the core repair steps. You now focus on the actual fixes: update, roll back, or reinstall drivers. First, try Update Driver and choose Automatic Search. This finds signed drivers quickly. If the problem began after a recent update, use Roll Back Driver to revert to the previous version. This restores known good behavior. When updates fail, uninstall the device fully and then select Scan for hardware changes to force a reinstall. If Windows cannot find drivers, download the vendor package and install manually. This ensures correct, compatible drivers are applied. You finish by verifying related services and permissions so changes stick. Confirm Windows installer and plug and play are set to automatic and running. If not, start them. Run Device Manager as administrator to avoid permission blocks and inspect driver file permissions if installation errors persist. Once done, reboot to finalize driver registration. If a driver still breaks the system, boot into safe mode and uninstall it. Then use System Restore to revert. This one troubleshooting tip often recovers the PC quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.